So first one, I have question. Guys, can you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Whiteboard.
Yes. Yeah. Like,
Okay. So first I have question. What is routing? Every time we say routing. What is that? So it's related to router. We can we can see because it's related to router. So yeah. Uh, which process a router does for best path selection? That is routing. Uh, Something is wrong here. It is there. Does for best path selection. That is routing. Okay. So what is best path? What does this mean? Best path. Okay. Let's see. If I have this is R1 router. Okay. It is in New York. Then I have another route. It is in, you can say, Philadelphia. Okay, I think spelling is wrong, but you can understand. And my destination is again London. Okay. I have now second path. It's very different and long path. This is a router name R4 and it is in California. Then we have another router. It is in New Jersey. Address. And what we discussed about right now, what is routing? Like we can say simply, I'm not going for any book like book language or anything. Which process router does for best path selection? That is routing. Router find a best path. That is routing. That process is routing. Simple way. Okay. So in this topology, I have New York router and London router. This is my source. That's mean in New York, I am here. Source means I am here. And this is my destination where I have to reach. I think I'm just talking about very basic question, but source means I am here. Okay, I am here. I want to go London. So this is my router. So it will choose best path for London. Okay, like C, normally, which is best path? Like just C. I'm not saying any technically. So what do you think? Which one is best path? This is path 1, upper path, and this is path 2, lower path. So guys, what do you think? Which one is best path?
you mean the best path to London?
Best path to go London.
Yeah, I think it will travel to Philadelphia, then London.
Yeah, because there I have only one stop. And here I have 2 stops. So that's me. It's a best path to go to London. Okay. So same router does this thing. Same router do this thing. It will choose best path. Which one is best path to send data to the London? Okay. So I just want to clarify routing. So that's process is routing. Uh, if I want to send a message, okay,
Yeah.
uh, this path is taking 1 second time, okay, and this path is taking 2 second time. So uh, obviously, I will send from path one that message. I will not use path two because it will take time. It's just 1 second, but you don't know value of 1 second. If I want to send 1,000 messages, it's normal in an organization. So you can count 1,000 second and here 2,000 second. And if you want to send 10,000 message, so 10,000 second and 10,000, 20,000 second. So every second matters, does matter. Okay.
Yeah.
Every second does matter. Okay. So routing, that's okay. So how we make this path? We will talk about this. How we will make this path? Because you are in R1. So what you will do here on R1 to reach London? So this thing I will talk. So IP routing, IP means Internet Protocol, and routing you already know is divided in two parts. First one is static. I think it is you already has done static routing.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's for very small distance, very small network. Small means I'm just talking about two or three, not more than two, three. Okay. Just two, three. A small network. Okay. And it's hard to maintain, hard to implement. So what do you think, guys? How it's hard to maintain, yeah, or implement? Let me give you some example. You have 2,000 device, and in every single device, you have to go and you have to configure this routing. So is it easy?
No, no, it's not.
Every 2,000 device, you will go one by one, and you will type IP route uh, dash dash dash, and it's really hard. I don't think so. It's easy. So it's hard to configure. Okay, so I think it's enough in static routing. Oh, this is not my topic today. My topic is dynamic routing. Dynamic means you can understand by automatic. So dynamic routing, it's for first is easy to implement. You don't need to care about anything. You have to see your network and just apply. Easy to implement for large network. Okay, and yeah, it's okay in there. For large, if I'm talking about large, okay, so let's see what I'm. Even dynamic routing is also divided because of its uh like I'm talking about large. So how much large you can go, like how much device you can add. Okay, I will save this document and dynamic routing. So dynamic routing, it's automatic routing. So we have Three kind of routing. First one is distance vector. This is a algorithm, and this is a you can type of routing. Second one, I have link state. Then I have mixture of a combination of distance vector and link state hybrid routing. So in distance vector, I have one protocol RIP. This protocol I can use only if I have 15 device or 16 device maximum. So this protocol I can use if I have 16 devices. So I don't think so. It's enough. So that's why we we need a new routing, new method, because 16 device is not enough for me. In my network, I have 20 devices. Then what I will do? So so engineers, made a solution. They advertise link state routing protocol. So that is OSPF. This protocol name is OSPF. So what is in this OSPF? I can add unlimited device. Here I had a foundation. I can add only 16 devices, but this uh, this is not helpful for me because I have 20, 100 device. Then what I will do? So engineer made a solution. They made a OSPF protocol. It's a kind of link state protocol. We will talk later what is there. Okay. So unlimited device I can add here. I don't have any foundation. Okay. Uh, it's for large network. Yeah, I can understand. It's a okay. But what about middle users who has only 100 device or 200 device? We should think about that users. So they made a combination hybrid link state and distance vector. A combination of those protocols hybrid. So here we have EIGRP protocol. So by default, we can use 100 devices here. And if you want, you can increase device maximum 255. Okay. So for large network, if you have really large network, you will use OSPF protocol. You have medium type of EIGRP. If you have medium type of network, you will use EIGRP. RIP nowadays we are not using, but for basic we have to understand RIP. We are not using RIP right now. You will not find anywhere RIP in real environment, but it's a base. So I will not talk too much about RIP. Okay. Only I will show you how it's work and how we can configure it. So now I have RIP protocol. So its full form is routing information protocol. Full name. Okay. Routing information protocol. Okay. So we have in the RIP, two types, version 1 and version 2. Version 1 is completely has gone from the market, from the industry. RIP version 1 we don't use. So let's talk about RIP version 2. Routing information version. Okay, so it's a open standard. Open standard protocol. Now I got a new word, open standard. Okay, so we have two types of word in networking. Uh, Not two, yeah, two types. One is Cisco proprietary. Right. Then second one is open standard. So what is that? Open standard. Why I am saying only Cisco? Because Cisco is a global leader in the networking domain. Okay, Cisco is global leader. It's a company, Cisco. It makes devices, networking devices. It's a global leader. So Cisco has own protocol which work only Cisco devices. So that protocol we say Cisco proprietary. Which protocol only works in Cisco device. So that is Cisco proprietary protocol. Other device, okay, Cisco is a company. So we have lot of company like Juniper. It is also a company. Aruba. It's also a company. HP. HP also make routers, switches, and networking device. Dell. Dell also makes. Huawei and Huawei, Aruba, Checkpoint, multiple companies. Even I cannot write name. So much companies. So I told you basic like main companies like Juniper, Aruba, HP, Dell, Huawei, and Cisco is global leader. So Cisco proprietary, if I say any protocol, it's a Cisco proprietary. So you have to understand, okay, that protocol can work only in Cisco devices. Other devices like Juniper device, Aruba device, HP device, Dell device, they cannot use. Open standard. Now we are going, any company, any device can use this type of protocol. Any company device can use. So if I'm talking about RIP versions 2, it's a open standard. That means any company device, we can use RIP protocol. Okay, got my point? Cisco proprietary and open standard.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cisco proprietary
So
means
the open standard mean any of these company can use it, Aruba, HP, Dell. But if I understand what you're saying, then for on this side, Cisco, the Cisco
proprietary.
one proprietor can only be used by Cisco, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, great. So I was talking about RIP version 2. Okay, it's a open standard protocol. Okay, we got the meaning of the open standard. Now next word is it is a classless routing protocol. Again we have difficult word, classless routing protocol. Okay, classless. It's mean it's carries subnet mask information. It's carry. I will tell you how. Okay. So we have two types of routing protocol. Classful and classless. Uh, Classful is not using nowadays, but I have to tell you difference, because sometimes anyone can ask you. Okay, so Classful we don't use, but I will tell you. Classful, it's not carry subnet mask information. It's cannot carry subnet mask information. Or okay, and it's carry. And now how we can understand this thing? Yeah, let me go in next page. Classful. First I'm talking about classful. So I said it will not carry subnet mask information. Okay, this is my router, and this is my second router. I hope it is right. Yeah, this is my. Okay, suppose that uh, it's New York again, and why? And it's New Jersey, and it's Philadelphia. I will write PH. One network is coming from New York, that is 10.1.1.0/24, and one network also coming from New Jersey, that is 10.1.1.1, sorry, 1/32. Okay, this is Philadelphia. Okay, but we are using here classful routing protocol. So what will happen by default when this information will come in Philadelphia router? So automatically it will convert in this /8 value for New York, for New Jersey. Okay. Now your router will confuse if someone wants to send data. Okay. Because it will not show name. In routing table, it will not show name, New York, New Jersey. So your router will confuse where I have to send data, because it's receive it got your same network, same route, but actually they are different. For New Jersey, I have /32 subnet mask. For New York, I have /24. But what happened? Because of classful routing protocol, it converted in /8. Now I don't know what is New Jersey and what is New York. So this time my router cannot take action where I have to send data, because subnet mask information by default change in /8 value. That's a problem in classful. Your information by default change in /8. If there is /27, 28, doesn't matter. It will change in /8. So your router cannot take right decision. I want to send a password. This is my urgent data or important data, and I want to send this New York, but my router doesn't know where it has to send. It send it New Jersey. My management team is here. It's my outside user or my normal user. So my user got password. That's important. My management team doesn't get anything. So that's a problem in Classful. I tried to explain you for example by example. Okay. Now we are
Yes.
talking about classless. How it's useful. Why we are using this. Same thing I will write. This is Philadelphia. Okay. And this is New York. Here my management team again. Okay. And this is New Jersey. There is my normal user, like normal my employees or other users. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so here I have I'm getting route same 10.1.1.0/24, and for here I am getting route 10.1.1.1.1/32. So if I am using classless routing protocol, so my information will not change. It would be same /24 at 10.1.1.1.1/30. Now my router can easily understand. I want to send password again to my management team, which is in New York. So my router will see, okay, /24. I'm receiving from New York. So I will send here. So did you get what is the importance of subnet mask?
Yeah, for me, I understand.
You got it, you guys? So that is a reason why we are not using nowadays Classful. Why it's completely not in the market or in the industry.
Why did
Because
they introduce it in the first place if it's going to be confusion like this? Like, why did they introduce it?
you know, if we suppose that if I make a new technology, okay, I work on that technology 1 year, then I will get a problem. Then I will get a loophole there. So we improved. First, we made classful routing protocol. We applied this. Then we have seen, okay, there is multiple loopholes. We are getting problems. So then we improved. Okay. In networking, it happens. Like one protocol is not working well. Suppose that RIP is not working well. So I choose, okay, I will use OSPF. They made OSPF. Then OSPF was slow. They think why it's slow. We can change. They said, okay, yeah, we can change. They made EIGRP. It's fast, little bit fast, and small network we can use. So they didn't make by mistake. They made this. After that, they got a loophole here. Like there is multiple challenges we have. Then they improved. Okay.
Okay.
Then they improved. First you bought a computer. Okay. First time. You don't know anything about computer or PC or laptop. Don't know anything. You use some time, 3 and 4 months. Then you got, okay, there is a problem. It's RAM very slow and display is not good. So you got some, difficulties. Then you will go for something which is more good than before. Okay. So same happened with this. They introduced classful routing protocol. Okay. They found, oh no, it's not good for us. It is creating too much confusion. So they made classless. Okay, that's great. Now we have. So every year, 2 year, they make changes. They improve. Let me tell you right now scenario what's happening. Before I had a before we had a data centers. Like if I want to save anything, so I had a data center, my local data center. Okay. Now everything is going to cloud.
Yeah.
So that is also an example of like they improving everything. Before you had to buy machines.
Yeah.
For now you can anything buy on cloud. If you want a PC, go for cloud.
You're
You
right.
can easily buy PC there. You don't
Right.
need. Okay. Again, I forgot where I was. Sorry. So we were talking about RIP version 2 product. Okay. So its AD value. Again, we have new word. Its AD value is 120. Your internet connection is unstable. Okay. AD value. AD value means administrative distance. It's only word, so how can I understand about administrative distance? It's nothing as a trustworthiness of a route. Let me tell you. I have R1, router 1, then I have router 2, and I have router 3. Uh, Suppose that a person is coming from New York, okay, and this is New Jersey. One person's coming from here to selling a watch. He's saying, I will sell my watch in $120. And this person who is coming from New Jersey, he's also saying, I will sell same watch in $140. And you are here. So which one you will prefer to buy? Same watch.
One of 120.
Yeah, 120. So same happen with AD value. Just remove watch. No. Just remove watch. We are going for now technical. If route is coming from, suppose that this route is coming from with AD value 120. So it is more trustworthy. If same route is coming from New Jersey, but AD value is 140, so it's not trustworthy. Okay. Every protocol has AD value. If I'm talking about OSPF, it has AD value 110. EIGRP, its AD value is 90. So you can think if OSPF is running here, EIGRP is running here. So this router will take EIGRP route, not OSPF, because AD value. So always lowest AD value is trustworthy. So that is case about AD value. Why, and one question, why we need AD value? Yeah, because if you are receiving same route, see same thing, same watch. Compare my example, same watch, same route. So which one I should accept? So I will accept which one has lowest AD value. Okay. I hope you got it. My point, what I wanted to say.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Oh, one point is taking much time, right?
So when you mean value, I understand. You mean is it operating on that port 120? Like if you're doing the configuration.
No, if I will apply router RIP on router, so automatically this protocol, automatically RIP protocol use AD value 120. Let me more clarify. Okay. Let's see. I am using static route here. Here to here. Static route AD value is 1. Here to here I am using RIP protocol. Its AD value 120. Here to here I am using OSPF. its AD value is 110. And same here to here, I am using EIGRP protocol. So its AD value is 90. So what router will do, according to AD value, it, it will give preference. Static route has lowest AD value. So first, this router will give preference to this router. Then, which has another lowest, this one. Then this router will give preference to this router. Then OSPF and then RIP. Okay. So all protocol I have wrote here. So according to that protocol, it will accept route. Which one is lowest? First, it will accept that route. Okay. If traffic is coming, okay. So first it will take from this static route. Now got my point?
Yeah, I understand it now.
It will give preference which one has lowest value. Where if you are sending a 1000 message and Andrus is sending from here 1000 message. I am sending from here 1000 message. And Darlington is sending 1000 message from here. So first it will give you preference. It will give you preference because you have AD value lowest. Then it will say, okay, it was an okay, that is 90. Then it will give me preference. Then it will see, okay, I am getting from Entrus, I will give. Then done. Okay. Okay. So RIP version 2, it uses multicast address. Two to 4.0.0.9. So, so if anyone, like we have multiple RIP, this is multiple routers. They are using RIP protocol. RIP, 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 RIP. So they will communicate according to this address. They will communicate in this address. You know what happened? Why I say multicast? What happened? Multicast is a group. So what will happen? They will join a group 2 to 4.0.0.9. All router will join this group. He will also join, it will also join, it will also join. Now if they want to talk with each other, so they will talk with each other by this IP address, by this multicast group IP address. Okay. So that's why it's multicast address. We are not going in deep. Multicasting is a different technology. It's also a different part. But I tried to explain you. I know what is multicasting. I have read, I have done work on this technology. But it's very deep technology. That's why I don't want to go. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I hope I almost okay, yeah. In RIP version 2, we have maximum hop count is 15 and maximum router is 16. And why? What is this? Maximum router is 16 and hop count is 15. I'm really not getting. What is this? So let's see. Uh, so uh, So how many router here? Could you tell me?
That's 6.
Okay. This is 6 routers.
Yeah.
Okay. If I talk about hop count, okay, I start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because if I am here, so I count myself 0. If you are doing configuration here, so what do you think? You will consider as a 0 yourself, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So that's why hop count is less than 1.
Okay.
And if someone will say how many router here, so you are not configuring, you are only seeing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have 6 router. Okay. And if you
Yeah.
are doing configuration here, you open the CLI on this router, so you will say, yeah, I am using hop count 0. This is hop count 0 and 1 and 2, because next router you will say 1 then. Okay, so that is difference, maximum hop count and maximum routers. So almost you can use 16 routers in RIP version 2. Okay, let me see there is any. I don't think so. It's there and okay, yeah, one more point. Uh, RIP uh, RIP protocol send periodic updates in every 30 seconds. And now again, this is a very good question. What is the periodic updates? Okay, I have 2 routers. This is R1 and this is R2. What I did? Okay, no problem. So in both router, I am using RIP protocol for communication. RIP version 2 on both. So what will happen? Every 30 seconds, he will share all information, full information. And this is also will share, every 30 seconds, full information. Okay. So it is bad or good? What do you think? Every 30 seconds, it is sending full information. Festus?
To me, I think it
Uh,
is good if you could share the same,
okay.
you know.
I have 100 message, you have 100 message. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, next page. Then you will say, yourself. This is my mobile and it is your mobile. So it is it is your AF. I have 100 message. You also have 100 message. Okay.
Yeah.
We both have equal message. I sent you 100 message. 30 seconds. You also send me 100 message in 30 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
I got now 120 message. I sent you 120 message. 30 seconds. You got 140 message, like you got 40 message more. Now you have 140. You send me 140 message every 30 seconds. Okay. And suppose that I got 100 message more. So it's 220. So I sent you every 30 seconds 220 message. You also got to 100 message now. So it's 240. So you will send me 247. So really, do you think it's a good work? What about our memories?
Mm. Yeah. The memory will be full very quick.
I have only 64 GB memory.
Mm.
I don't know you have 128 or more than, but I have 64 GB. My memory will full.
Yeah.
So in that case, what I will do, I have to delete, and I have to delete 220 message. Really? Are you kidding? 220 message, and every time, every 30 second. I'm not talking about minutes. Every 30 second, it is increasing. My mobile will be, hot.
Right.
Your
So,
mobile also will be hot every time it's sending. Your performance, mobile perform because it's hot. It will be
yeah.
low. So how many drawback here?
Mm.
So same thing happen with this protocol. That's why we don't use. So multiple challenges we have in this protocol. Okay. So every time it's not good. If every time I'm sending a message, hi, 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 hi. So one time you will say, oh, don't send me messages, please.
Right.
Because my mind is not working every time you are sending same message. So let's talk about configuration. It would be a little configuration, not hard. Within 10 minutes, it will complete. Okay. So rip syntax. Syntax means how we will apply. So first I will go in configuration mode, router configuration mode. Then I will put command router rip. Then router, it will change config router. Then I will add here version 2 because version 1 we are not using. I have to clearly write here version 2. Then router config router. Oh my god. Then I will type here network. Network I will type which is directly connected with me. I don't need to see about source or destination, which is directly connected. I will write here. Then last step is no auto summary. I will tell later what is the use of this command. But right now, only just learn it. Only 4 steps we have to do. Router trip, version 2, network, then no auto summary. Let's apply a little bit fast. I already have lab, so we don't need to care. Great.
The last one is no auto summary.
Yeah, no auto summary. I
Oh,
have notes also. You don't
oh,
need to, because I saved same thing. Only I have to change them.
mm.
Yeah. Okay. So uh just I'm removing everything. Okay, then I will show you.
So that is the command to remove it. No router.
Yeah, for removing, if you want to remove, so just say no router rip.
Okay.
If you remove any IP, so go in interface, no
Mm,
IP add,
no, okay.
it's removed. Okay. So everything I removed from R1, from R2, sorry, New York, New Jersey. Okay. Then last one is, oh, sorry. So same thing I was teaching, so it's very easy if you are teaching same thing. I'm trying to balance, everyone should be in the same stage. Okay. Now we have to apply router rip on 3 routers. This is my New York router. This is my New Jersey router. This is London router. Same topology. Here I am using 10.1.0/24 network address. Here I am using what I'm using? Sorry. 10.1.2 because this is in this interface in this network and this interface in this network. And this London router is 20 network. Okay. So let's start IP configuration. So I already have document. Okay. So I should open that document. Okay. So side by side, I will show you that document also.
Okay, thank you.
Because same lab, same configuration. Oh, what's happening? Okay, so I will open. Okay, I think you know how to change host name or you don't know.
Yeah.
So it's very simple.
Yeah.
If you like, if I am here, so this is enable mode. Okay. So I have to put this command enable. Then I will go for in privilege mode. So see, now I am in privilege mode. Then
Yeah.
what I did, I changed host name.
What's name?
I am in R1 configure terminal. I use this command. Then I am in configuration mode. Then I change host name. Just this thing. I did, previously I did this thing. Now this thing I will do. Okay. So let's configure IP address. Leave it. So in New York, okay, I have to go F0/0. Okay. So first I will go in configure terminal. I will write full command. Then I will go in this interface. Okay. So I will write here interface F0/0. Okay. So see there, before it was configuration. Now it's config if.
If, yeah.
It means configuration interface. If means interface. Now I will add IP address 10.1.1.1. Then subnet mask /24. 255.255.0. Sorry, 0. Enter. Now I have to put no shutdown command because by default every interface is down mode. Exit and then exit. Okay. So I have added this IP here. Okay. Its task is completed. Same thing I did here. See, in New York router, I went in F0/0, IP add, no shutdown, and exit. Okay. Now I will go in New Jersey router. So here I have two IP. That's mean two interface. So I will go in configure terminal. I will write, first we shouldn't try shortcut if we are, beginners. We should type, full commands. Yeah. So I will type here interface. First, I will go in this interface F0/0 and I will put IP address. What is IP address here? 10.1.1. 2.
25,
0, and add, enter. Then no shutdown. And then I will take exit from here. Then I will go in this interface F0/1. Then again I will IP address this IP 20.1.1.
25, 0.
Then I will put no shutdown command again. Okay, exit from here. And one more time, exit. Now I am in privilege mode. Okay. So same thing I will show you here. See, I change host name, interface F0/0, F0/1. Okay. Same thing I did here. I already saved. Now I have to go in London route. Okay. London router. Okay, I have to put this IP. So first I will go in configure terminal, then interface. Oh my god, it seems like it's interface F0/0. Then IP address.
.1. .1. .2. 255. Okay. .0.
Yeah, then I will put no shutdown. I hope I'm right. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay, so basic configuration we have done. See here in London router also, I did configuration. Okay, now what I will do from New York, I will try to pick London. From New York, I will try to pick London. Ping means I am checking I have path to go to London or not. Okay. So New York, so you cannot directly ping London, you need a address. So it is my address for London. So I will check ping 20.1.1.2. Let's see what it will show. See what it is showing. Success rate is 0%. That means I don't have path from New York to London.
London, yeah.
So by using router RIP, I will make path. So what is the easiest way to apply RIP routing protocol? So first you have to do show IP route. This is a command. Okay. And check it. You use this let's check it. Which network is directly connected with you? So 10.1.1.0 is directly connected with me. Okay.
Mhm.
If you will see here, also you will find. Because 10 IP here. Okay. So network is 10.1.0 is directly connected with me in New York router. Okay. So I will go in configure terminal. You have to write full. I can write shortcut. Okay. Router RIP. Then I will type version 2. In network, I will type this directly connected. 10.1.1.0. Then no auto summary. It's mandatory command. Later I will tell you why it's mandatory. Okay, then exit. So my configuration is completed on router 1. Okay, same thing I saved here. First I checked to ping, then I did show IP route, then this is directly connected, and I put here. I should remove this command. Okay, okay, not so. Okay, now I will go in New Jersey router. Same show IP route. I will use this command. Okay. So here 10.1.0 and 21.0 is directly connected with me. So I will type config t router rip version 2, then network which is directly connected. So here I have two networks, 10 and 20.
Yeah.
So I will write network 10.1.0. What I did? Okay, I write 2 times network.
Network twice.
Yeah, and then 20. And then mandatory command no to summary and exit from here. Okay, and same thing you will find here. You don't need to wonder about this. Okay, see there. Okay, now I will go for same thing in London router. Configure terminal router rip version version 2, then okay, network. I can see directly also network because this is 20 IP. So that's mean 20.1.1.0 and no auto summary. So directly also if you able to see, so you can see. But if you are not able to see, like you are not understanding anything, so do this show IP route and then write this network which is directly connected. Okay. So now I will check. I made a path. Now I will check my path is working or not. I will go on R1. I will check ping. And what is the address here? 20. See? Now percentage is 100. 5 by 5. First time when you will ping, so it would be 4. Okay. Sometime it happens because of ARP. We will talk later what is ARP. But when you will again ping second time, so it would be 5 by 5 like this. First time when I pinged, so it was 4 by 5. Okay. Then second time I pinged, so it was 5 by 5.
Fine. So actually, quick question, please.
Yeah.
The way we when I did the one you gave to us before, when we ping from the computer, you know, this one there's no computer, this is just router to router. So this RMP only works from router to router. You cannot use it from the computer to computer if it's attached to the router, because the way you I think you or Rahul, the last time you taught us, there's a way we were able to configure to match the IP address of New York computer to the router and to the London computer, and we were able to ping the computer from New York to the London after the configuration. But in this case now, I know the computer is not existing here, but removing those, you use the ROP, which is more easier, but I'm saying, can you use that too when if computer is attached to the router?
Yeah, why not? It's only basic. Yeah, I can do. It's not a problem. Let
No,
me do it.
I just want to know if we can use the RLP if computer is attached to the router, if that's that command going to work too.
Yeah, why not? Now it's okay.
Yeah,
Now
yeah,
so many computers are attached here.
yeah.
Okay, so let me see
The
if some.
before one, we were able to like link the IP to the computer IP to the router IP, then merge it to the New York and New Jersey, and they were able to ping from the London computer to the New Jersey. If I'm just using that as an example.
Yeah, let me see. Okay, so here it's little different. I am using serial link. This is serial link. So how you can add this link? Open this router, go in physical, zoom in, and turn off this switch. Then you have to pick this one card and drop. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Because I remember before we were able to link that second router to a computer.
Yeah. Yeah. So you can pick this and you can write this. And then
Okay.
on this router.
Okay.
I already have, so I'm not picking. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. Okay. I'm just here, right? Again, New York. Yeah, it would be interesting. And this is New Jersey again. Yeah, I like it when you guys ask me question. I really like it. Okay. So now I have, let's see its IP is configured there on PC or not. Okay, IP is configured. So I don't need to configure IP address here.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have work only here.
Mhm.
Okay, let's see. IP, you can show IP interface. How would you check IP? Like this, show IP interface brief. So do you, I should type IP, sorry, configure IP again, or you can configure? Tell me.
No, I can pick configure IP. Yeah.
Okay, great. That's great. Okay, only I have to change host name because it's R1. So I will go in configure terminal and host name. This is New York. Okay. So I change host name. Now I will apply router rip here. Okay. So let's see how can I apply. So route first I will see that command show IP route.
Right.
So see there,
Mhm.
it is showing me directly connected only
To the
192.168.1.0. It is not showing me this one because this interface is down.
It's down. Yeah.
Okay, let me first open this interface. Yeah, see there, it's red mark. Okay, first I will open this interface. Interface, you can write full S, sorry, S0/1/0 and no shutdown. Okay, great. Then again, I will see that command show IP route.
Mhm.
Okay, it's not showing me anything. I hope I did some, I didn't configure IP yet. First, I have to configure IP. My IP is not configured. Yeah, IP is not configured. First, I have to configure IP on every route. Then I can use RIP protocol. Yeah, see. So I will change host name. I will write here New Jersey. New Jersey. Okay. Then I will go in this interface S0/1/0. Interface S0/, sorry, 0/1/0. Then IP address 10.0.0.2 and it is /8. So 255.0.0.0. Okay.
Yeah.
Then no shutdown. Okay. Now this interface is up. See, green line.
Yeah.
Then I will take exit from here and I will go for this interface. Interface S0/1/1
This one.
and IP address 20.0.0.2.
Dot two slash okay dot two. Then 255.
No, /8.
That's 8. Okay, no 2. Okay.
No shutdown. Okay. Its interface is also up. Now about this interface. I also have to configure this one F0/0.
Yeah.
I will take exit from here. Interface F0/0. Oh yeah. IP address 192.168.2.100.
255.
No, 0. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, 255. It's 24.
Yeah.
That's 0.
Then no shutdown. Okay. I hope now it's configured.
Yeah, one more to go.
No, I don't think so. We have configured everything.
What about the FS0.1? We don't need to do that.
Where is F0/1?
No, I'm looking at the.
See,
Oh yeah. You did that. Okay. Yeah.
F0/0. I configured it.
Yeah.
And this is previously I configured it, I know. Just I have to change name. Host name. What is lambda? Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Same lab. Only we have PCs.
Yeah.
Everything. All our link also different. This link.
Yeah.
I will tell you after this lab how to add. You can link. I will show you also. Okay. Don't. Anyway, I don't have any problem. So first I will go in router one. I want to apply router RIP. This is New York router. So configure terminal. IP is configured. Sorry. So I will check show IP route. So see there, it is showing me I have two network directly connected.
Yeah.
10 and 192.168.1.0.
Yeah.
That means I have to apply this network in my RIP configuration. Router RIP version 2, the network. First one is 10.0.0.0.
0. Yeah.
Second one is 192.168.1.0. Then no auto summary. Okay. Then I can take exit from here. So its configuration, I see my network from here.
Yeah.
Now in New Jersey router. Okay. So same thing I will do first. Oh, sorry. I will use same command, show IP route. Okay. So see there. Oh my God. 10, 20, and 192.168.2.0. So that means these three network I have to put in router RIP.
Okay.
Configure terminal. Maybe this time I am wrong. Yeah. Configure terminal. Okay. Router RIP version 2. Then I have to put 3 network. Okay.
Mm.
Network 10.0.0.0. Then 20. Okay. 1020 I wrote it. Now 2.0. Yeah. 192.168.2.0. Okay.
Mm.
Then the auto summary. It's mandatory in router RIP. Then I can take exit or I can use add command also, but now I will use exit only. Okay, let's go with this Rust router and check show IP route. Okay, so we have to write two network in RIP.
Yeah.
So config t router RIP version 2 network 20.0.0.0 then network 192.168.3.0 and
Okay.
no auto summary.
Somewhere.
And you can type and also command.
Okay.
Okay, now my configuration is finished on route. Okay,
Yeah.
let's first try this router to this address 20.0.0.3. Can I ping or not? Just check.
Yeah, you did it before. You should be able to ping now. But I want to see if you can ping from the computer. That is
Okay,
my main question. Yeah.
I can ping from this router. First, we have to check, this is a
Yeah.
process. First, I have to check router to router connect.
Right. Okay.
Now I will check this PC to this PC connectivity.
Okay.
I will open this PC, command prompt, okay.
Yeah.
Then I will see this IP. So I can, what I will do, ping 192.168.3.1. Why I did, if I can ping from here to here, so definitely I will ping from here to here, okay.
Okay.
So see this. See,
Yeah, it's pinging. Okay. Okay. So this process is pretty easy. It's pretty easy than the one I.
yeah, static route is difficult, which you did before. This is very easy. That's why I said easy to implement router RIP. If you want to ping here to here, you can do it. Go in desktop, command, and you are here. So ping it. Ping 192.168.1.1. See,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
you want to ping this 2.1. Everyone you can ping.
That's good.
Sometimes it takes time, but you will ping. Okay.
That's nice.
I hope now you got.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh,
Another question is, anyway, you already told us. Is that why it's red line? Because you have to put that
oh, yeah,
turn it
yeah,
on?
yeah. Yeah, wait. Give me just a second. Yeah. Okay, save. Okay, suppose that I am taking this router. What it says? 8041? Yeah. And 2 route and 3 route. So first what I will do, I want to add, this is my link, okay?
Yeah.
So first I will do here, I will open this and this is button. You can see here.
Yeah.
Okay. So first I will turn off this button. See there. Now green light is not showing. Then I will take this one, HVIC 2T. This is a card. I will put here. And again I will open my route, on my route. See green line.
Yeah, it's green light. Yeah.
Same thing I will do here. It's green light, off,
Off.
HVIC to T, on.
Back.
Same thing here, off, 1, 2, 3. Third one,
Yeah, move it there. Okay.
on. Okay. Now this is serial link. We have to connect with serial link. So see there. This is serial link. So I will not take DC. I will take DT. Serial DT. DC for data center. I will take DT. One time press C. S0, 10. S0, 10. See?
Yeah.
Again I will take, okay. S0/1.
Okay.
S0/1.
Okay. So
Then you can add another thing like PC and router.
yeah.
So you that thing you can take normally. You do anyone switch, not anyone. You can take this one also or first one also. Then attach PC. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you can take automatic this table. Use control and then click. Now it will take automatically.
Mm.
Okay. Only here we had some.
Yeah, we have issue before. Yeah.
Yeah. So okay.
Yeah. Okay. Nice working. Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
So it's a topology. If you
Yeah.
want, I can send you also.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, don't say it. Let us do fresh one on our own.
Yeah. I am also thinking, yeah, you should do.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will send you this configuration. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It's already everything in video, but I will send this configuration also because
Okay.
it will give you some hint if you will forget. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, okay, I'm talking with Festus. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought someone new asked question. What about Antras and other Darlington?
Yeah, I'm here. I've been listening. Sincerely, I've been following, but it's really not been easy just grabbing everything with the pace at which you guys are going.